Are you looking for a realistic business you can start from home, without a big factory, a huge team, or years of experience? In this video, we'll explore easy machines you can import from China that can help you create real, physical products with steady, everyday demand, perfect for a garage, small workshop, or home-based startup. From working closely with small-scale manufacturing and startup workshops, I've seen how the right machine can transform an ordinary space into a profitable, production-ready business, sometimes much faster than people expect. This video is for education and research purposes only. Always check supplier credibility, certifications, shipping, and import costs before making any investment. Before we dive in, tell me in the comments, if you could start a business with just one machine, which type would you choose? I read every comment, and many of the businesses people start from these videos turn into real success stories, so your idea could be the next one I help explore. 1. Vacuum thermoforming machine. Meet the vacuum thermoforming machine, priced at $1,900. A versatile tool for creators and small businesses. Perfect for producing plastic models, custom packaging, DIY projects, and advertising logos. This machine works with materials like acrylic, PVC, ABS, PET, and polypropylene. Ideal for universities, workshops, or home studios. It allows you to mold thermoplastics with precision, turning creative ideas into real products. Compact, affordable, and beginner-friendly. It's a small investment with big potential. 2. Automatic press dough cookie making machine. The automatic cookie press machine, priced at $3,650, is a must-have for bakeries and dessert startups. With adjustable molds, it produces cookies of different shapes, sizes, and thicknesses effortlessly. Its automation reduces labor while ensuring consistent quality, perfect for small bakeries, cake shops, or home-based snack businesses. From fancy biscuits to everyday treats, this machine turns dough into professional-looking products quickly, making it a high-value addition to any small food business. 3. Clay drip 3D printing machine. The Clay 3D printing machine at just $880 combines traditional craftsmanship with modern technology. Printing layer by layer, it can create complex or hollow designs that would take hours by hand. Perfect for artists, craft studios, or educational use, it reduces labor costs while allowing detailed, custom pieces. From sculptures to decorative items, this affordable machine turns ordinary clay into high-value, saleable creations, making it ideal for small workshops or experimental startups. If you're enjoying these practical business ideas and seeing how small machines can turn a garage into a real income stream, hit like. It tells us to keep bringing more smart ideas. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon, because we share actionable, beginner-friendly business strategies every week, the kind that could actually help you start your first profitable workshop. 4. Automatic can sealing machine. For just $510, the automatic can sealing machine is compact, fast, and precise. It seals plastic or aluminum cans of various sizes, including easy-tear lids with one-touch operation. Featuring automatic lifting, smart display, and counting, it's perfect for small food, beverage, or cosmetic producers. This affordable, high-efficiency machine ensures professional quality sealing while saving labor and time, making it ideal for home-based or small-scale production. 5. Soy Beeswax Paraffin Palm Wax Candle Filling Machine. The hot wax filling machine, priced at $2,700, is perfect for candles, hair removal wax, and specialty wax products. It heats and pumps wax into containers with precision, avoiding spills or blockages. Adjustable filling volumes allow consistent, professional results in aluminum, glass, or plastic cups. Ideal for small candle businesses or boutique production, this machine doubles output while cutting labor costs, helping you build a professional brand efficiently from a small workshop. 6. Automatic Small Protein Bar Machine. For health food entrepreneurs, the automatic protein bar machine, priced at $4,200, produces energy bars, nuts bars, dates bars, and more. Interchangeable nozzles allow you to customize size and shape, while the fully automatic system extrudes, shapes, and cuts each bar consistently. Perfect for small kitchens or startup snack brands, this machine turns simple ingredients into polished, ready-to-sell products with minimal labor, making it a high-demand investment for home-based food businesses. 7. Croissant dough. Sheeter. Laminator. The croissant dough sheeter and laminator, costing $1,300, is ideal for bakeries or pastry enthusiasts. Fully automatic, it rolls and flattens dough, saving hours of manual work, with PLC control and multi-memory programs for consistent results. Stainless steel and heavy duty, it can operate continuously, with optional flour addition during rolling. Perfect for croissants, puff pastries, and laminated dough products, this machine increases output and efficiency, making it a smart small business investment. And that's a wrap. 7 powerful machines you can start with from home, each one turning a small space into a productive, income-generating workshop. Remember, you don't need a big factory or years of experience. Just the right machine, a little creativity, and a plan. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss future videos with practical business ideas and beginner-friendly machines. Finally, comment below. Which machine would you start with first? You never know, your idea could inspire the next video, or even your first real business.